Hey guys, it's your girl Key, aka Kiwi, and I am back today with another makeup video. Y'all know it's been a minute since I posted a makeup video, but life has been like really chaotic and it seems like that's just the story of my life. But I'm super excited about today's video, so if you guys don't know who I am, stop what you're doing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on because you don't want to miss any of my videos. So for today's video, guys, I am going to introduce you to my favorite, well, my current favorite lash brand, and I'm going to do a mini lash tutorial. So like, I know some of y'all have been asking me how I apply my lashes. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me post my promo code for Lyssa Lashes. Yes, I have a promo code and my promo code is still open and available for use. So after this video, if you feel like you want to try these lashes or you like how these lashes look, make sure you use my promo code. I'll put it in the description box so you all can enjoy 15% off of your Lyssa Lashes. So let's get into these lashes. So when you receive your package, it's going to come in just like a shipping pack like this. They come in the cutest little box. And it says Lyssa Lashes, and it tells you a little bit about the lashes on the back. They are made with silk and synthetic fibers, and I believe you can use them up to 20 times. Like, that's perfect. So for my ladies who just rip those lashes off and just throw them anywhere, you don't want to do that with these babies. You want to save them and put them back in the box. So when you open the box up, your lashes look like this. And so it just says every day could be a great lash day with Lyssa Lashes. That's cute. So the style that I got was the Maria lashes. Man, these babies are gorgeous. Like, they're so wispy at the end. Like, look at how wispy they are. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, and they also have like the band or the strip. I am going to use my tweezers, and I got these, I think I got these from like the hair store. They're by Kiss. Okay, guys, this is my fiance. The camera's right here, babe. The camera's right there. Yeah.
What up?
When I get ready to apply my glue to the lash, I kind of like to just hold them like this so I can get glue around the whole strip. And I'm gonna just use this duo white lash glue. So I'm just gonna put it around the strip. And rule of thumb, whenever you're applying your lashes and you put your glue on, you want to make sure that your glue dries a little bit and it gets tacky. So I'm going to take my tweezers, and I'm going to try to do this with one hand, guys. I'm going to just lay them on my eyelid. And sometimes you will have to cut your lashes. It just depends on your eye shape. Y'all, I am loving these Maria lashes. They are like everything. They're comfortable, and that makes all the difference, y'all. The way I maintain my lashes is I put them back in the case that they came out of. So I am going to, I've already applied the glue. I'm just going to throw these bad boys back in the case. And I'm going to make sure they fit the mold. They'll stick right back on the mold like that. And I'm going to go ahead and put the other side on there. Boom, you put them back in there. They're good for the next time you use it. And I think, is this like magnetic? I think it might be magnetic. Oh my God. So I hope you all go and get your Lyssa Lashes. Don't forget to use my coupon code. I will post the code in the description box.